Alright guys, I'm back, and here today I have another crosswalk button experience on Broadway Avenue in Main Street. So we're gonna cross Main Street now, because usually you'll see that sign right there, says Main Street, but whatever. So now we're gonna be crossing Broadway, so we're gonna do that now.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now we're crossing Broadway. So you see this red LED, or this red light. Now normally I repressed it, and for some reason, oh, that's just a buzzkill. I just set off I just set off one walk sign and like never worked.
12, 7, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue, traveling north.
Alright, now we'll be crossing north. So as you can see, we're gonna wait until this that traffic light on the traffic light on the back light to turn green and I can cross. So you're really cool. Yeah, usually these buttons do work, actually. Come on, walk sign, turn on already. And here's the push button for walk sign. Walk sign. So we're gonna wait for that till it's time. And yes, I think that Christmas is already over, because I don't know why they had Christmas decorations on that.
Main Street.
Alright, now let's move it on. Here's the other crosswalk over there. We'll be doing it now.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Traveling east, which is right there. I recommend, once again, I know every direction. Oh my gosh. I know every direction that I already supposed to cross there. So I recommend that is east. Cross-up button says, so this one could be saying traveling east-west. Say traveling east-west could be amazing with that. So you hear the other buttons right there. Seems you have a problem.
Wait.
No. I'm not waiting. Do you want me to set off the walk sign for you?
Wait.
We have to wait until these lights over there to turn green. Like one of these traffic lights on the back. That first row right there. But yeah. You have the other crosswalk ones over there too.
Wait. Wait. Broadway Avenue.
Alright, now let's go. Let's hear the countdown.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, that's all.